The first thing that you need to know when making money from your Instagram following is the right mindsets to have. These 3 mindsets you see on your screen right now are super, super important in order to optimize how much money you make for per follower that you have on your Instagram account. And a lot of people overlook these mindsets and try to go about things the wrong way. They may see short-term results, but over the long term, you're going to be a lot better off if you can adopt one of the mindsets, or all 3 of the mindsets, should I say, on the screen in front of you. So let's go through them one by one. I'm going to tell you exactly why you should have these mindsets when it comes to converting your Instagram followers to dollars. Mindset number 1, always offer value for an action. For example, if you want someone to go from your bio to your website, you need to trade the value that they give you visiting your website for something that's valuable for them. So it can be a free download, or it can be a percentage discount to your store, or it could be a $5 gift card. It could be anything that gives them value and gives them the motivation to take action on whatever you want them to take action on. So having the mindset of always offering value means every step of your funnel gives the person a motivation to take the next step and get to that next stage and next phase in your funnel. So that's very important to keep in mind. Number 2, never hard sell on Instagram. It's very important that you don't try and get a follower to buy something directly from your Instagram account or from a photo. It is possible to do this, and you can do it if it's in conjunction with another sort of promotion that you're running, but never try and convert directly from a follower to cash. It's 10 times easier to convert them to an email address and then sell them via email. You'll make so much more money this way. It's a lot more socially accepted, and you will make so much more money this way in the long term. I'm going to go into specifics for that number 2 coming up in this module. But for now, remember, never hard sell. So never try and post a picture and directly sell products from that. Number 3, use custom emails to make money. This, again, I've touched on in number 2. It's far more socially accepted for you to market your business to somebody by email, and it's far easier to convert them to being a paying customer via email than it is via Instagram. So I'm going to show you exactly how to transition followers to emails and emails to money coming up in this module.